my question is, I've done all of my certifications in my main workspace. I never, because I set up one for it, but I never used it.
Sure.
Um, and I can't, can I share assets between workspaces?
Not that I know
Or
of.
do I have to reload them up
It's
again? Because
just, yeah, I'm pretty sure you just have to go and re-add them as a saved asset.
yeah, because if I take the if as I finish up a funnel and I put it, I'll just move it over there,
Hmm.
it's going to lose all the images because it won't be there,
No,
right?
no, no. Images actually will pull through and it'll add it to the next, the image library for the other workspace.
Oh,
I
cool.
found that to be the case. But if you're talking about downloadable assets, those will not. Those are, it stays as a link because it's not a physical thing that's in the funnel.
Yeah.
You're just linking to it. You'd have to go in and re-upload that in the other workspace.
Okay, but if it does that, then I can move all of those assignment twos and threes over,
Oh yeah. Yeah. Just
and then
share,
they'll
create a
take the
share link.
assets with them, the images with them,
Hmm.
and I won't have to worry about it.
Exactly.